Use Gemini Live. Just open Hey Google or long press the power button, and here we can see Gemini. Just tap on this icon and you directly jump
Hi, I'm
into Gemini
We're about
Live.
to go live, where you can explore complex topics or ideas just by talking.
Tap on OK to set up Gemini
All
Live.
right, let's start chatting whenever you're ready.
Now you can use Gemini Live. Hey, can you help me to solve a math?
Sure, I can help with that. What's the math problem you're working on?
Solve it. 8 plus 5
The answer is 13.
and 50 minus 13,
37.
and tap on hold. And if you want to use Gemini Live using a photo, then let's see how to do it. Just open Gemini, or you can open Gemini app, tap on this Gemini Live. Sorry for mistake. Tap on this plus icon, select a photo. Let's select this photo for example, and here just tap on talk live about this.
Ah, a tabby cat. They have that beautiful striped coat. Are you curious about this particular cat, or do you want to know more about the tabby pattern in general?
Yes, I want to know more about this cat.
This cat looks like a tabby. It's a common color pattern in cats.
So that's how we can actually use the Gemini Live feature. That's it.